Are you looking to forward messages on Telegram using your PC? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the quick and easy steps to forward messages with the latest update. First, let's get started by opening your Telegram account. Simply double-click the Telegram icon on your desktop and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're in, you're ready for the next step. Now, it's time to find the chat containing the messages you want to forward. You can do this by navigating through your chat list on the left sidebar. Once you locate the chat, click on it to open the conversation. Here comes the crucial part. Right-click on the message you wish to forward. A context menu will pop up, presenting you with several options. From that menu, go ahead and click on Forward. This will prepare your selected message for sharing. Finally, choose the chat or contact to whom you want to forward the message. You can either scroll through your list of contacts or use the search bar to find the specific chat quickly. Once you've selected the chat, just hit Send, and voila! You've successfully forwarded the message. So there you have it. A simple and efficient way to forward messages on Telegram using your PC. Whether it's for sharing a funny meme, important information, or a heartfelt message, this new update makes the process smoother than ever. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Telegram and other tech tools. Happy messaging!